is my washing machine?
Well, honey, I essentially have repurposed it.
Why would you repurpose a perfectly good washing machine?
Well, now, perfectly good, I don't know, baby. I wouldn't call that a perfectly good washing machine. Look at it. It was rattling and thumping, and it was basically shimmying, and
It worked fine.
Well,
And it was the very first Christmas gift you ever gave me.
all right, honey. Now, don't get worked up. As you can see, the Lord gave me lemons, and what did I do? I made you some lemonade, honey. We've got a beautiful fire pit here.
I have to dance tonight.
All right, baby. Now, calm down. Let's go on inside, and no, let's not quarrel out here. The neighbors are close by. Come on in.
But I was getting ready to wash my
I
clothes.
can explain what we're going to do. Now, baby, just think about this. We had a machine that wasn't working anymore. Now we've got something that works. It's a fixture. It's something that we will get.
Now, Hank, I understand you are a very creative man, the man that I love and married, the same man, and I respect that. But I told you, I have to dance tonight. What am I supposed to wear to Diamonds and Divas?
Well, now, honey, I have your clothes. I took them out of the washing machine and put them in the bathroom sink.
The bathroom sink that is on the kitchen table?
Well, baby, listen.
Hank.
Honey, I'm just trying to do some things for you around the house. I'm doing some work in the bathroom, all right?
Oh, you're not.
Well, baby.
Oh, no.
Oh, Roxy. Now, Roxy, calm down. Calm down. Honey.
Oh, no, Hank.
Oh,
You
baby.
did not.
I'm working in there,
Where?
Roxy.
Where is my tub? And I can see the wheels of our home
Roxy.
through the floor, Hank.
Well, I took the floor out because I'm replacing it, baby. Come on now.
No.
Roxy, I'm sorry, honey. I probably should have brought you to a hotel or something while I was working.
Well, that is a right fine idea.
Roxy, would you like to go to a hotel?
Let's go to the Motel 6. They have a pool there.
Well, now all's well that ends well, baby. Looks like Motel 6 has saved my skin again. Just like that time that you dried off my carburetor in the microwave. Now, baby, don't you worry. We'll be gone for 2 days, and I'll have the fellas take care of everything while we're gone. It'll all be done.
Now that's what I call making lemonade.
You're right, baby.
Can I look?
Well, sure, let's see what they did back there.
I'm so excited.
It's nice and clean in here, too.
Yes, I'm impressed.
I told the boys to clean it up.
It's beautiful.
I know it.
Wow.
Come on, let me see it.
It needs a little cleaning up.
Well, you'll touch it up, darling.
But wow, that's beautiful. And there's no hole in the floor anymore.
I can't see the wheels anymore.
I'm gonna try out the new shower.
All right. Well, I'll get busy in the kitchen.
Oh no, Hank, not more of this.
Relax, darling. It was a short, and it's already taken care of. However, the compressor in the refrigerator just went out.
This time, we are going to the Holiday Inn.
Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, baby. Rolling, and I am in position now.
Oh no, Hank.
Is that the end of your line?
Oh no, Hank. Hank, baby. I looked at the camera as soon as I got